this is lab 2. This is part of my LPIC 1 preparation series. In this lab, we'll be practicing identifying log files, building a live monitoring filter, and locating kernel-managed runtime paths. So let's get started. So we are going to begin by listing the contents of the primary log directory, and we could do that with the following command. And this command reveals system logs such as syslog, messages, auth.log, and others. These files contain valuable information about system events, hardware interactions, login attempts, and more. Understanding what's available here is foundational for diagnosing issues and securing our system. So the next prompt is prompting us to basically show critical errors in real time. So we'll construct a pipeline to observe live system events and filter for critical issues, and we'll do it with the following. And grep. And last is crash. There we go. So this command does two things. Let me actually highlight it since we have all this the stuff that came after the command. So this command does two things, right? So the tail-f part follows new log entries, or follows new log entries as they're written to disk. So this allows us to essentially see about 10 log entries as they're happening. It'll continuously update itself as new log entries get written to disk. The second part, the grep -ei part, capital E, lowercase I part, essentially applies a case-sensitive search for keywords that indicate serious problems, like kernel panics, failed authentication attempts, access denials, or segmentation buffs. Now, we're coming to the end of our lab, so we want to explore the virtual paths exposed by a Linux kernel at runtime. So there's two ways that we could do that. The first one is ls sys module, and the second one is ls kernel. So let's do the module version. Now, one thing that you should know is that this directory resides within the sysfs virtual file system and exposes a live view into the kernel modules. And not just that, but also the system parameters and debugging interfaces, which is essential for us, especially when we're troubleshooting or we want kernel live insights. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, I'm posting new labs like this every day. So come through, and I hope this continues to be helpful for folks. All right, take care and have a great day.